In this video, I'm going to help you authenticate your 2023 Cherry 12s.
Can you please help me authenticate my shoes? Are these real or fake?
Yo, what's going on, folks? Retrospective Dave here, and welcome to my legit check of the 2023 Cherry Air Jordan 12. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I try my best to give you detailed legit checks so that you can rest assured that you got what you intended to pay for, which I'm assuming is an authentic sneaker. So if that type of content piques your interest, definitely consider subscribing, and without further ado, let's get into the packaging. So the first thing you want to take note of is the branding on the box. The Cherries come with a Nike branded box as compared to the playoffs from 2022. Those come in a Jordan branded box. So even though the boxes look the same, make sure that the branding is correct. Also take note that the Cherries come with two pieces of shoe paper inside of the box, one of which has a more modern look, the other one has a more vintage look, but they're both double textured, which means that if you take your finger and rub it across one side of the paper, it's going to be smooth, the other side is going to be rough. So as far as stickers and stamps go, there are no stickers or stamps inside or underneath the box. There is no suggested retail sticker, and the official colorway for this shoe is white, black, and varsity red. Now as for the shoe itself, the shoe has a woven footbed with your corresponding size to the left or the right depending on which one you're inspecting. Also make sure that the bottom of your insoles read AJ11 and has a registered trademark symbol. Now the Jumpman on the insole is debossed, which means that it is slightly pressed into the material surrounding it. The texture of the Jumpman is relatively solid, so it shouldn't be too easy to rub away. So as for the production dates, the time frame is usually 3 to 4 months from start to finish, and the dates that you see on screen here may not necessarily match the ones that you have on your pair. However, the ones that's on your pair should be the same on your left and right shoe. In the event that you do not have matching dates on your pairs, that doesn't mean that the pair is fake, it just means that you don't have matching dates. But I'm assuming Nike is trying to mitigate the quality issues coming out of the factory. Therefore, they're trying to make sure that all of the pairs have matching production dates. All right, folks, moving on to the upper of the shoe. Make sure that when you're inspecting the pull tab on the Cherry 12s that you have a very thick and stiff material. Compared to the playoffs from 2022, the pull tab isn't as durable, so make sure that you note the differences there. Also keep in mind that these shoes do not come with shoe trees. They do come with shoe paper, and they have the Whittles peaks on the left and right shoe right at the top of the toe box. All right, folks, if you got something useful from watching this video, definitely do me a huge favor. Hit the like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you have any more questions about your pairs, even after watching this video, feel free to hit me up on Instagram at RETROspectiveDAVE, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Until then, stay fresh, blessed, and free of stress, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.